Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. My name is Luis, and in this video I'm going to talk about the Devolo Mesh Wi-Fi 2. These are Powerline adapters from Devolo with Wi-Fi and Ethernet capabilities. So with these devices you can spread your internet across your house. It doesn't matter if you have a big house with walls in the middle, with doors in the middle, because it will use your connection directly to any room using the electrical wiring. Yes, so you can plug those devices to any socket and take internet there. So you can see on a normal house near the router you have 100%, in the next division 40%, and probably in one room 0%. With a repeater you will be able to send the signal to that faraway room, but the signal will be more or less 15%. This is an example in the Devolo box. But with the mesh Wi-Fi, because it creates a mesh, so the devices will connect with between them, and they will create a mesh Wi-Fi, and then you will have the same level of Wi-Fi or Ethernet wherever you are. Okay, so this device, so we are right now having a look at the Devolo website, and as you can see, it can send rich speeds and up to 2400 megabits per second, and it uses the Mimo technology. That means that spreads the signal for all connected devices without sending less signal to one and more to others, so it redistributes the signal really well. Okay, so this is a good example. So if you have a big house with several floors, if you place one device in each floor, so every time you move the signal, your device will detect the better antenna and will connect to that location. Okay, and notice that each one of these devices has two Ethernet connections, so it will be also possible to take a cable, Ethernet by cable, to some of your devices. Imagine you have a smart TV that is far away from the router and it does some buffering when watching some IPTV, something like that. If you connect by cable, probably you will have no problems streaming anything. Okay, so one of those will be connected directly to the router. That one will be the sender. Okay, so you need to connect one to the router by cable, like it is on this page, and then the other two will connect automatically and they will create the mesh network. Okay, so this kit comes with 3, but you can also buy more units if you need. So imagine you have a house and you spread those units inside your house, and then you have a garage that shares the same electric wiring, and then you want to have internet there. So if the electrical copper wiring is the same, you can take one of these devices outside your house, plug it on your garage, and it will work. Also in the garden, if there is a plug somewhere that shares the same wiring of your house, you will be able to share that connection. Okay, so really nice. I believe the distance, it's 120 meters range. Okay, so really nice. So now I'm going to plug the devices and do some testing at my house. So just be aware that depending on your electrical wiring, the speed can be impacted. So if you have a really old house and the copper wiring is really thin, probably the speed will be affected. So new houses with new copper wire, probably the speed will not be affected. Also, avoid to plug these devices close to washing machines, refrigerators, so devices that can produce some kind of static. Okay, it can interfere in the speed. Do not plug these devices on power cords, always directly on the wall. Okay, also really nice is that this device does not steal a socket from the wall, because when plug it in, it provides you an empty socket on the device itself. Okay, and you can use. Okay, so right now I'm performing a speed test on my internet speed directly from my computer wired to my router. So I have 500 downloads and 100 and something of upload, and after I will do the same, but I will connect my smartphone to the Devolo mesh devices. Okay, so we can access the devices directly from IP address and access all the configurations, so the Wi-Fi, the parental, everything, parental control. We can change the name of the devices, so imagine you can change from Devolo 704 to something that is more related to the location of where the device is located at your house. So imagine kitchen, room, living room, somewhere. Okay, also you can change the name of Wi-Fi and the password, and you just need to change it in one of the devices, and the other ones will change automatically. So if you can change the SSID of your Wi-Fi, this new Wi-Fi network. Okay, it's really easy. There is also an app that you can do exactly all this stuff from your smartphone. I will show during the video. Okay, so as I told you, you can change the name of the Devolo device from the Powerline adapter. You can give names, so if you don't like those technical names, Devolo 704 blah blah blah, you can name it whatever you decide. Okay, it's really easy. So also updates you manage from this web browser page. It's like the same you do with your router. So we can change the password, check which devices are connected. So everything can be done accessing the IP of each device. Okay, so now I'm showing you my smartphone and how you can check if all the devices are connected between them, and also which devices are connected to that network. And as I told you, you can change the Wi-Fi password, you can change the name of the devices. So this is how you manage your devices, your Devolo devices from your smartphone. Don't forget this, if this video is useful, if you are enjoying the video, to drop a like. It will mean a lot to me and will tell YouTube to show the video to more people. Okay, so now I will do the test from my phone connected to my router, and I have pretty good speeds from my provider, which is Vodafone in Portugal, and I will be comparing with the Devolo connected to those devices, to the mesh network they created. So, and as I told you, the speed can be impacted by the quality of your electrical wire quality. So if it is an old house, it can impact the quality of how the network can give you more speed. Okay, so as I changed the password, now I had to enter the password, and now I would like to have some speed close to the one that I have, but it's not so fast. It is fast, but not so fast as I have currently from my router, and I'm really close to the routers. So from here to my router is about 4 meters or 5 meters, and I'm now 6 meters from the nearest power line, Devolo. And as I told you, it depends on your electrical wiring, of the wiring of your house, so we can expect better quality in modern houses. Okay, so now this was another test I done with the Ethernet cable, not Wi-Fi, with my laptop, and the speed was almost the same of the Wi-Fi network. So this was the video I created. So if you have questions, you can leave in the comments below. If you like the video, please drop a like and consider to subscribe. I catch you on a new video. Thank you very much.